Yan.
Kiss ang lawa. Kiss. Kiss.
Kiss mo mama, kiss.
Galing ah, galing ah.
Wow. Nagda-dance mo. Pasikat.
Pero mata ko. Galing mo.
Dance.
Dance, dance, dance. Ra, 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 dance. Dance, dance.
Pika! Pika! Isa na ako yan. 1, 2, 3, whoop! Pika! Wow, pretty! Tingin! Tingin! Wow, pretty!
How old are you? How old are you? 1. Wow, very good. It's Amara's first birthday celebration. Mwah. How old are you daw? 1. Very good. Yeah. Hi. Pangat ka ni Mami?
One more guys, are you ready to start the party? Yes or no? Very good. I like the energy guys. Sana before we move on to our program, magpapakilala po muna ako. My name is Kevin and your host now. Kayo po tayong lahat and help me to clutch this special moment. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce to you our very own. Please give a round of applause for Amara! Together with Robin DJ and Andy Jarrell. Oscar, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan natin ang Amara! And bringing by Mama
Isang mabuting Christiano ang bata na ito. And we also pray, O Lord, na ikaw, ang Espiritu mo, ang
This time, kakanta natin si Amara ng birthday song and everybody guys, follow the music. Happy birthday to you. What is it? Happy birthday. One more. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. With us is everybody that will have fun singing. Come on. One more. Happy birthday to you, everyone. Happy birthday, happy birthday. One more guys, slowly. Happy birthday. Isang oras po yan. Hanggang alas 2. Okay, happy birthday to you. Alright guys, on the count of 3, everyone shout happy birthday, Amara.
Happy birthday, Amara!
Mom and Dad, sila po yung magabayad sa shaking, sa hose, o sa lahat-lahat dito. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have a first step. Second step, guys. Mag-focus tayo like this. 1, 2, and 1, 2. Parang ayaw nyo talaga magbayad dito. with energy pa yung sa iya. Labras, guys! Labras! Ayan, habis natin mga isasayaw dyan. Para
Videographer na.
Palakpakan natin sila. Magaling lang ito, ha? Ready? Siyempre kaya Adro, hindi kami niniwala magaling kayo sa wala. Hanggat hindi rin namin nakikita. Oo. Crystal kaya Adro, sasayaw tayo to the tune of Castillo Muhammad. Bago yun. Ang BTS yata sumayaw nun. Jumbo! Hotdog! Malakanan! How to play in the video? Very good. Ang number na para sa pakunyala. Ang capital letter A. Go! Small I. May tundok yan, ha? Go! Uy, iba yung sa'yo, ha? Iba yung sa'yo. Capital letter N. Go! Is letter T. Go! Ikaw yung pwede sila. Kakanta natin siya ng birthday song. Okay? So now, everybody guys, follow down. Listen. Everybody sing! Come on, guys! Louder! One more! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Guys, yung pinakamalakas! This time, Mami Daddy, tulungan ko natin si Amara mag-iwan sa yung channel. A count of 3. Okay? And 2, 3, and low! Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan natin si Amara. Together with lovely Mami and Daddy. Sino si Mami? Si Mami, okay. Sabi ni Mami, si Daddy, sabi ni Daddy, si Mami, ako na lang po. Sige. Sino gusto mo? Daddy? Yes, Daddy. Birthday week ko ay Amaray. Tumahay na.
Lumaking ano lang, lumaking mabuti pa
Daddy, wala man lang po pumalakpakan isa. Grabe sila. And okay. What's your pretty wish for that?
Likewise.
Yun ka. Lumaki kang healthy. Gusto ko lagi siyang healthy. Lagi silang tatlong healthy. Hindi, ayun, may respect at saka mabait na bata lang. Ayun yung naman, tatlo lang yun na laging healthy.
Hindi. Pero panayos kami dito bawal sa amin yun. Okay. The Giant Bubble Show. Para makapagpasalamat kami. Pumuna sila sa bisita.
Ayun guys, thank you po sa lahat ng pumunta kahit na ulan kanina. Nag-alay na kami ng tip location at nakahara para lang kami yung Pero thank you talaga sa lahat ng nag-effort na pumunta and sumunod sa team. And kay Uno, kay Mami, dito sa mga backdrop, sa kay Tito, Tita, thank you. Saka sa lahat, sa inyong lahat, thank you talaga sa effort.
Happy Valentine's!
Thank you sa pagdala ng pagkain. Tawag dito siguro teacher ko naman, hindi pa naman. Joke lang. Thank you sa pagpunta and tawag dito kahit ako lang yung pumunta pa rin kayo and nag-alis kayo ng time. Dun sa photographer and dun sa clown, maraming salamat sa inyo kasi hindi magiging naman organized yung ano kung wala rin kayo. Thank you.
Wala namang pumalakpak!